Now this is a very interesting piece of kit. Loz showed me this a couple of minutes ago. It's the Mojave outfit, as in the desert. Loz, this has got some really cracking features.
Yep.
Take it away.
Mate, this thing's next level, right? So, like the clue says, desert, right? We get loads of riders that want to do some dual sport stuff, off-road stuff, things like that, and we don't really make a product to go with, but now we do, right? So this product is designed for people that want to ride, say, from here to Morocco or somewhere like that. They're going to encounter all different types of weather, and this jacket does that, all right? So from the outside in, it looks like a normal jacket and pant combination, but it's got big vents on the top with Velcro and magnets built in, as you can see from there, right? That tucks away down there, down in the pocket. That's nothing impressive. Everybody makes a jacket with a vent pocket, right? But we've also got massive vent on the sleeve. Huge vent, both sides. Buy one, get one free, right? It's better than that, Stan. Right, so...
This is the bit that I really like.
Right, you will see nice thick seam here with the zip. Right now, for all of you people that are going to go, oh, you're going to zip the sleeve off, you're going to turn it into a gilet for when it gets hot. What are we all about, Stan? We're all about safety, right? So it's all about the armour underneath. So, you unzip this sleeve off, the outer, so to speak, if this vent isn't giving you enough, and you slide this sleeve off. Get rid of that. You are left with, basically, the sleeve from a kendo shirt, zipped in to the jacket, so you have shoulder armour, you have elbow armour, and a fully vented sleeve, but also has the clips to be clipped in, right? You can adjust the forearm, you can adjust the bicep, but what happens, Stan, right, if you don't want that? What about you want to gilet it? It's going to come off, right? It's got to come off. It does, right? So look, the sleeve comes off as well, right? And you end up with some kind of Dallas Cowboys shoulder pad. And we can get rid of this thing as well. Look, comes off. Right. So you're left with a gilet. And the armour comes out. So you can take the product all the way down to make yourself look like Dave Bailey or Bonnie Lane. Other photographers are available. Like you're just wearing like a photographer's gilet. Right? But, so, you've got the armour. You've got the armour in here as well. You'll see on the insides of here, there's rulers. One there. And one there. What do you reckon the rulers are for, Stan?
To get it all lined up when you put it back together.
Exactly, my friend, with said armour. So you don't want to run the air sleeve, you just want to run the normal sleeve. So we put this at the exact measurement that it was, and then we just zip it back in and we stick it back in at the Velcro at the top. Easy, right?
Genius.
Right, and then if you want to put the Velcro sleeve back in there, or the air sleeve, you basically bang that on there wherever you want it, and you zip it back all together, and you end up with before and after.
So when you got all the clipping stuff that you can use with this as well,
yep,
it's almost like something like a 25 in one garment.
Pretty much. So it's got your clipping, so you can run air vest, you can run waterproof membrane, because it's not waterproof stuff, right? So you can waterproof membrane, that's everything from generic Z-liner membrane through to Gore-Tex membrane. You can run thermal membrane in it. This bit, I have to admit, I kind of like this. It kind of reminded me of like a Ford GT. So it's kind of got a bit of a thing going on. That's to let the heat flow out your back. Waterproof foam pocket. Airflow system through the front. It's got everything going on, Stan. $307.99.
And what's it called again?
It's called a Mojave top. And then you've got the Mojave base. Trousers do something a bit similar. So, regular pair of trousers, but the bottom zip off. I'm not going to pull them all the way off to relieve or reveal this kind of sock affair. Okay, so if you want to get some air around your ankles, or you want to tuck it into a motocross boot but you don't alter the line of the jacket, you can basically take this bit off and you end up with the sock on the inside. Absolutely bang on. $263.99 on the pant, $307.99 on the jacket, and then all you got to do, bang your waterproof membrane in, bang the thermal membrane in, and it is the all singing, all dancing, does everything, gonna ride to Morocco and back in a day, Paris-Dakar stylish suit.
Or Cleethorpes.
Or Cleethorpes, or Skeg Vegas, other kind of beach towns are available.